It's Friday night. I got some hard cider, I guess is what this is, and we have makeup to try. Yeah, welcome back and stuff. Let's just jump into it. I don't remember what's in the spoilers either, so. Ooh, okay. No! Since this one is so eager to get out, looks like we got more Luxie brushes. Gia? It's got a little pronunciation there too for stupid people like me. I think it's Gia. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Okay, so we have like a nice flat brush. I mean, I think people use this for like foundation, right? And then we have just like a basic kind of flat brush and like a fluffy blender brush. Cool. I do like Luxie brushes. They're always more expensive than I would ever actually pay for a brush. Oh my gosh, but see, now this says foundation. Maybe I'll use it for foundation today. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. All right. Next, we have a Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Ooh, I'll probably do this actually. How long is this supposed to sit? I might as well take my makeup off and put this on, huh? BoxyCharm sent this like a couple months ago, and I've just been using it as like a nice makeup remover. It's like a moisturizing makeup remover almost. Which also, my skin has been so dry, my nose is peeling, and that just doesn't happen to me. So I don't understand. Let's just throw this on. It helps support the skin's moisture barrier. That's good. Need that. A slight tingling maker. Ooh. It feels quite nice. We'll have to just wash that off in 10 minutes. Let's see what else we got. Cleansing spa water. Is this a makeup wipe? Oh my god! This is Cleansing Spa Water by Kogendo. Sorry, I'm not gonna be using these today. I'm so mad at myself. This is Luna by Luna. I'm assuming this is a lip product. It says Mars right there. Ooh, this looks sparkly, so maybe it's a lip gloss? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, honey. Ooh, I like this a lot. It's obviously just a gloss, but I like the nude color. Like, it's not too like over tinted with like a pinky whatever. Last but not least, we have a palette by Butter London. Oh wow. It says Natural Goddess. I'm gonna assume that's the name of the palette. These 4 are shimmers, and then these 2 are mattes. This Enchantress could probably be a highlight. Bitch, yes it could. Damn, baby. Okay, not as impressed with that one. Let's try to swatch it a second time. Yeah, this one is a little more chunky. It looks pretty like reflected in the light, but I don't know. Up close, it just doesn't seem that pigmented. And then there's Diva. This just looks like a gold. Yes. Ooh, so pretty. I love this. I'm very excited. Let's see how this blue swatches. Pretty chalky. We'll see how much we can build that up today. We definitely gotta use it. Okay, so that was everything in my BoxyCharm. Got another 7 minutes until I can take this off my face, so I'll be right back. I spent that break watching a video about Bob Ross. I'm like mega a lightweight, so I don't usually drink. Like, I do not do this very often, I swear, but it's my Friday and let's go, baby. Oh shit, that's good. Guys, this isn't sponsored, but Smirnoff Spiked Sparkling Seltzer. Oh my god. Anyway, no, I did not wash it off my face yet. It dried clear, so I'm gonna go rinse my face. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say my skin necessarily looks like luminous or anything. I feel like I have to put my hair up like this now when I go and do my base makeup because now it's like starting to get long enough that it'll hang in my face and get in my hair again. So anyway, all right. Let's do our base here. This is the Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm gonna use this Luxie brush. I don't usually apply my foundation with a brush, but whatever. Applying your foundation with a brush takes way longer and it looks streakier. Like, why do people do this? And my face is itchy, and I don't know if it's because it feels like there's like little fibers on my face. Now for the rest of my face. Okay, now call me crazy or call me alcohol infused, but I kind of want to try this queen color as a blush. Cause like, I feel like it'd be really luminizing and pretty. I don't know, I might regret this, but whatever. It's Friday, bitch. Okay, someone called the police. This is way too pigmented. But oh my gosh, yeah, I mean, I feel like if you use it sparingly, it's a really pretty luminous blush. And since we're on the road of trying stuff from this palette, let's try this color as a highlight. Yes, queen, yes. Ooh, I don't know about this though, it might be too dark. I don't know, okay, let's try it. No way, honey, it's good. Y'all, it is extremely pigmented, but also, wow. Wow, hello, you're a good highlight, enchantress. That's right, I am an enchantress. I just realized I didn't do my eyebrows. I just got too excited about life, and that's what happened. And you know what? I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with this Temptress color. Because I forgot to bring a brown eyeshadow over, and I usually set my brows with some kind of brown eyeshadow, but I didn't bring it over, so. I wasn't really planning on using this color for my eye look anyway, so might as well put it somewhere else. Sometimes on my videos, people tell me that my eyebrows look amazing and they want to know how I do them, and then sometimes I make them look like this. Why is there no consistency with the quality of my eyebrows? I've been doing this for like 15 years. More than that, God. Okay, so let's jump onto the eyes here. I'm gonna use the fluffy brush and just get in there. You know I'm about to try that blue. You know that's what I'm gonna do. A lot of fallout so far though. Okay, the only color we didn't use out of this palette today was this gold one, which is a beautiful gold, don't get me wrong. Just didn't really find a place to use it today. The blue is not as pow as I wanted it to be. It blends really nice and it applies really nice. I really had to build it up to get, I tried really, why am I trying to do this? Savannah, stop drinking. Okay, this blue don't look the same. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Now the back of my head probably has sparkles on it. Oh my god. That green is really pretty too. I actually, all in all, I really like this palette. I feel like it's functional because like I used stuff out of it to do blush and highlight, and then obviously I did my eyes. I even like set my eyebrow. Like, you know, it's a good palette. Last thing is this lip gloss. Let's go. I don't think it comes as a surprise to anyone at this point, but I love it. Yeah, I just really love lip glosses. Like, I think they are like my favorite thing to put on my mouth these days. So that was everything in my BoxyCharm. Let's go over the prices. So this mask goes for $35. That's kind of a lot, and I feel like I didn't see much of a difference when I put this on. For it to just like not be like completely mesmerizingly different for $35, like it's I mean, maybe over time, like maybe it is like good for moisturizing your skin and stuff, and I just haven't noticed it really, and because I put makeup on my face right after. I don't know, but I also feel like there's not that much in here either. This is that makeup removing cleanser whatever that they gave us last time, and this is a full-on face mask. Like, you have to use way less of this for the, I don't know. I mean, I honestly, if I was doing this like what they said twice weekly, this would probably last me like a month. This palette is $32, which, okay, first of all, like I said, very functional, very versatile. I do like this palette, but there's only 6 shades in it, and to sell it for $32, like that's expensive. That's over $5 a shade. But they're very good shadows too. So the shimmers really do shimmer, honey. So I don't know, I'm torn on this one for sure. I feel like I wouldn't spend that money on only 6 shades. I don't think I would do it. These brushes, this 3-piece set goes for $30. What? Sorry. $10 per brush? $10 for that? Get out of here. Get out of here. I know like some of the higher end brands have brushes for around that. I would not pay that for a synthetic brush. Like, I would not do it. Honestly, I'm kind of convinced that Luxie only makes their money through going through BoxyCharm at this point. So this lip gloss is $18. I don't know why I'm being shocked more than usual at the price of these, but like okay, $18 is what you would spend on like a Tarte lip gloss or like a more well-known high-end lip gloss, and I have never heard of Luna by Luna. I've never heard of that. So to like price yourself as a high-end familiar brand, it's ballsy. I like this. I do. Let me see if there's anything special about this. Prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. I mean, it's not like it says it's like formulated with gold or anything. I don't know. Maybe I'm overreacting, but I feel like $18, especially this packaging, like look, it's like stupid stars. Like who fucking cares? It's so basic. It seems so basic. $15 maybe tops. I think they're overshooting a little bit. That's not to say I don't like it and it's not worth $18. I just feel like it's more than they should be charging for whatever reason. I don't know. That's just me. And okay. There's 10 makeup wipes in this. MSRP is $17. That's more than $1 per cloth. Are you serious? What are we doing? Because again, I've never heard of Cogendo. I've never heard of that. Not to say that they're not a reputable brand. Maybe they are, and I just like, maybe they're more high-end than I've ever heard of, than, you know, I would have access to in my daily life, but sorry. I don't know if my perception of money and numbers like is intensified when I'm drinking, but I tell you fucking what. I feel like everything in this BoxyCharm is overpriced, bitch. Bring on my infinite wisdom Smirnoff. $17. Stop. Look, can we just stop? You know what I was thinking too is that literally when I turn off the camera, I'm just gonna use one of these to take my makeup off. So almost 30-year-old ladies like me need to go to sleep. So actually, honestly, I'll probably just go watch the new episode of Dr. Pimple Popper, and then I'll go to sleep. But I don't see a point in putting it off. I mean, we're here to review these things, right? Let's see if this is worth the $1.70. Almost $2, bitch, are you serious? $1.70. Stop it. This better be fucking good. The power of makeup. Didn't take my makeup off. Yes. I didn't even try to take my lip gloss off. That was stupid. Anyway, yeah, I took my makeup off as expected. It doesn't have like a super strong scent, so obviously, like, y'all know me, I appreciate that a lot. But would I pay $1.70 for that? Fucking no, I would not. And you know what? Maybe Neutrogena has a lot more like artificial ingredients and stuff. I mean, yeah, it says there's like natural herbs and shit in here. Like, that's great. And this is made from 100% cotton. I don't know. Do they make makeup wipes out of polyester? Otherwise, I don't know. Yeah, maybe the ingredients in this are better than like a Neutrogena wipe, but honey, like, doesn't Jeffree Star use Neutrogena makeup wipes? Like, I mean, come on. You can get a pack of 30 of them for a few bucks. Like, it's like, get out of here with your $17 for 10 of them. Like, that's so stupid. It worked great, whatever. It's a great makeup wipe, okay, but it is not worth the price. I'm sorry. That was everything. I need to go to bed. My band, The Takeover, released a new single. If you guys haven't heard it yet, please seriously give it a listen. The links are down in the description below. You can watch it on YouTube, but you can also stream it on Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, where, like, pretty much wherever you regularly stream your music. I would really love it if you guys would check it out, because we really put a lot of hard work into this and we've been sitting on it for a while, so it's really exciting that people get to see it now. or hear it now. You listen to songs, oh my god, I need to go to bed. Download or stream Phosphenes. It's my baby and I would love it if someone else would also love it. Anyway, I'm done. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.